Namaskar. Today we are going to do exercises to reduce belly fat. It is really very much beneficial for everyone to do and easy for beginners also. So first up we have crunches. For that you have to keep your knees bended, back straight and lie down on your back. Now keep your hands behind your neck and with your chest come up forward and touch your knees. Repeat this for about 30 times or as much as you can. Next, we have dog pose. For that, keep your hands up here. Keep your feet like this. Come up with your feet and stretch as much as you can with your hands and your feet. And hold this position for about 30 to 60 seconds. With that, come down on your knees, stretch your hands forward and keep your head down. Keep this position for about 30 seconds. Next up we have planks. You have to keep this for about 30 to 60 seconds as much as you can. For that, keep your hands like this, feet, and hold this position for about 60 seconds. Then come forward and sit in Vajrasana. That's it for the first week. Thank you for watching, and you can do these exercises as much as you want. 1 set, 2 set for a day, and try to do this every day. It will be really much beneficial. That's it for the first week. Thank you. You can do these exercises as much as you want, for how many sets you want, and every day. Thank you.